It's recording. Something I learned in class today how to build. I put dimensions on it. When you do your dimensions, you always want to make sure that you go to, I think it was annotated. Usually you want to click right here, and it will usually be stuck on standard. You want to put on annotate when you do the dimensions. It's already set. You also want to go to dimensions, go to modify, and this right here will usually be in quad zeros. So you want to go ahead and set it to 00. Click OK. Close this, and that's when you set your dimensions. Because I have the dimensions already set up right here, it was at a, I believe it was 40 by 40 outside square with an offset of 2 on the inside. When I did it, I did lines to make the square. What you could also do is go ahead and use square and just use the square. You make it 40 by 40, then you offset it. But I'm going to go ahead and do what I did last time and just go ahead and use line again. So you click, scroll it straight up so it's vertical, so it's not at an angle. You want it vertical. Just go ahead and type 40, click, make sure it's horizontal, 40, click, or enter, 40, enter, hold on long. And then going this way, oh shoot. Click it again. And since I have to do a doorway, let me go ahead and clear that out. You put 5, enter, press escape, press enter again so it goes back on. Click this way, and because I have the dimensions in front of me, I know which way I'm going. It's going to be 30.5, enter. It's going to be 30.5, 28.5. I mean, originally what you'd want to do is do the square with 40-40, offset it 2 on the inside. And when you offset it at 2 on the inside, it would just make it all go inside. But I like to do it like this because it cuts having to chop out where I have to put the doorway in the bathroom. What owl? You got owl? I know you got owl on my nose. Yeah. That bathroom where you go pee pee and pee pee. Take a bath. See your bath right here, bath. Bath. Yeah, toilet and go pee pee. Yep. Caca. That right there is how you do the outside line. I'll go ahead and start another video to finish the inside. I believe the baby went to the restroom, so I'm going to have to go ahead and fix him. Thank you very much.